Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about some new training features which is launched by Google. So how to get the free training from Google and what is the process. So I'll tell you how to get that training with free of cost. So first of all, what we'll do, so the link I will provide the in description box. Then once you open that link, then we'll just click on register today. When we'll click on register today, this page will pop up. You will fill it out according to the instruction, like first name, last name, business name, email, job title, phone number, country, which country you are from, and picking path. These are the path which is available. You can take free of cost training from Google. So as for your expertise, you can choose the training path. Then you click on yes, then click on submit. So in the meantime, you will be getting one email to your registered email ID. After that, one code will be providing by Google. Will that code you will use to take the uh, training. So 30 days free training Google is provided with free of cost. So just you take this opportunity, this cloud computing rule based and Google Cloud learning path at no cost of 30 days based on your job rule. You can pick this learning path and complete a series of hands-on lab and course to earn the Google Cloud badges and track your progress on your Google Cloud skills, boost your profile as you expand your cloud knowledge and skills. So hope you guys it will be helpful and you quickly registered today and just take this free opportunity, free offer by Google. That is a good opportunity. You can learn more and more and you can upskill. So hope it will be helpful, guys. Thank you.